Okay, so good morning, everyone. Yesterday we have seen the fundamentals of our Salesforce developer, what we are going to do, and then after that, what is all programming way we are having. After that, we have opened also, and then the last we are just starting with the hands-on, hands-on exercise. Okay, so let's start our hands-on exercise. Any doubt in yesterday class? Anything you are not able to understood? Okay, so we'll take it this as a no. Okay, so what I told you that after .com you remove everything and then write apex and then my first visual page or anything you can write with the name. It will ask you to create either if the pages exist, it will open like this. If the pages not exist, it will give you a link to create it automatically. If you click there, it will automatically create a page for you, VF page for you, Visual Force page. Okay. Okay. So yesterday we were checking what all things we were having, and then guys, you are able to hear me?
Yes, Nikhil.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So yeah. So we have done till yet. So whatever we need to write here. Okay, so current till we have done it through here. So this is the training for morning 8 o'clock batch or 8:15 batch. So I'm just updating here 8:15 to 9:30, let's say AM batch. So if I save here and click here, then it will add the same thing here. Okay, so whatever I am writing, and I told you that you can take the bold letter also by taking this B block, B tag. You can take the underline also by taking this U, and you need to close that also. Hmm? You can also write the italic by taking I. Also, you can close it. Okay, so let's say if I want to make this one also italic. Okay, so particular, let's say if I want this particular thing, like whatever added 8:15 to this one as italic, so I will add I before it, and whatever after this, I can close this also. Okay, when I close this, when I save this, you will see this particular part only is getting shown in italic. So this is related to the font, what I'm bold or italic or underlined. This is related to the bold font only. Then after that, let's say if we want to take something from the user, current user which I am logged in. Okay, if somebody is asking you, can you take user detail of the current user on the page? So sometime what happens is whenever we create any login page, right? We create any login page, then what we generally give there, welcome Nikhil Gupta, right? So whenever after the login page, when you successfully log in any website, then you give welcome and that username which he has logged in currently. So that you can do here also. So let me add one more line here. Paragraph. Okay. Welcome, welcome, and then you need to take the user. So let's say you want to show the user in bold. So what you can do, you can write this is in B, and then you can put a bracket, this bracket, and then colon, explanatory mark, and then dollar, and then user, USER dot first name. Okay, so the user which I saved, that will start coming here. So this one, and close this curly braces. So by this, your you first name will come, and the same way with some space on it, you can show the last name also. Okay, so first name and last name, and in between you can give some space. And in the end, I am just closing my B. So bold I am finishing. And also I need to finish the paragraph also, but what I started. Okay, so if I save this, let's see what is coming. Okay, so one more line is coming. Welcome Nikhil Gupta now. Okay, so the username, sorry, the first name and the last name, it's coming here. So from where this user first name and last name is coming? Can anyone tell me from where it is coming?
Accounts.
Accounts. Okay. Anyone else want to try? Hmm?
From user object, user details object.
Correct. Absolutely correct. It is not taking from any account because I'm not talking about any account right now. I'm talking about my user. So if I go to setup, we are taking with what user it has logged in here. Okay, so if I go to users and if I open my user, my system admin user, and if I go to edit part of it, it will show me what was my first name, what was my last name. So the current user which I currently log in into this environment, that will come. If I want to take the username, so entirely the username which is used here, that will start coming. If I wanted to write something similar, okay, so let's say I'm writing my username also. Okay, then that will start also coming to Nikhil Gupta, and after the Nikhil Gupta, entire username, what is displayed there in my username, that will start also coming here. Okay. Okay, so that is that is also start coming here now. Okay, so this is how whenever you log into any website, you generally see in the right side somewhere we see welcome this, right? So how it is coming there? This is how it is coming here. That's the simple line it is written using your tags. This is how it is coming. Clear to everyone? I'm just removing this one. It is not required. Just wanted to show you. So just welcome Nikhil Gupta. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Like this way, you can take out your email also. See, okay, email also, and if any whatever you see here, I have taken the email ID also, last name also, and we can also check the user is active or not. Hmm? This is the current user username this, and we can also check which is active or not. So which is an active user. All right. So this is how you can print your username or user details to the screen or in any VF page. Clear to everyone? Let's try to understood some functions, mathematical function. Okay, or you can say like readily available function in VF page. How you can use it. Okay, so first we are talking about the year. So the year today is, so whenever we are taking this today's date, see, let me print first the today's date. Colon year, year. Sorry, not year. Okay, so if we are taking today's value, then let's see what is coming here. See, if you see here, now the Tuesday, November 1, and 000 and GMT and 2022. So today's date is coming here now, right? November 1st. So maybe November 1st is coming because of currently in US, we are still in Tuesday. If you see here, see this follows this environment or this cloud is based on US environment. So this training org is there. So if you see here, it is showing clearly Tuesday 19 colon 59. So basically it's going to be 20, right? After 1920 comes, so 20 means 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. is going to be in US. So that it is in, that's why it is showing today. Okay. Now, if I wanted to take the year from here, right? 2022 from here. So what I can do, I can close this today into a bracket and I just take year from it. Okay. So that's why this 2022 is coming here in the next line. Clear to everyone? Okay, so tomorrow, let's say if I wanted to check what will be the, if someone is asking, you need to print here, you need to show here, what will be the date tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow date will be the day of this date plus 1. So the date of the date is coming 01 right now. So it will become plus 1 equal to 2. So that's why if you see here, 2 is coming here. Clear to everyone? Okay, let me put in this way so that it will be clear for you how it is printing. So you understood what is the today function is working, and you can play with this today also. You can take out the year, month, day. You can we can print anything from there. Okay. Yeah. So 2022 and the 2 is coming here. You can bold it also here. Here also you just need to put a bold here before and after, and you will see this will come into the, let's say I wanted to make this year bold. So B close, and after this, okay, if I save this, my year will start coming in bold now. See. All right. So this is how you can play with these function, readily available function. So let's say if I wanted to find a maximum in a particular array, okay, or a set of values, I wanted to pick the maximum of it. So maximum of this is the value, okay, this bracket and this expletive mark is taking the value out of it. This is the presentation of any value. Value means variable. So just consider this as a variable. Then we are taking, with the help of expletive mark and the bracket, expletive mark, basically we are taking that value out. Okay, so maximum of it. So I am writing minimum of it. So min, then the entire values. So it will display you what is the minimum value it is. So if you see, the 1 is the minimum value. So if I add one more 0 here, let's say if I'm adding 0 here and I am saving this again, then it will show you minimum in this is 0. Okay, so I have not added here 0. So I need to display also, right? Okay, so the let's find a minimum in this is min of this. Then 0 is coming here. If I wanted to take the maximum, Maximum in this is max. We need to write max here. So if I write max here, then see, if you see 7 is coming because there is no other value which is greater than 7 here. So likewise, you can do the mathematical operation also. So square root of 49 is equal to sqrt 49. This is giving me value 7 here. Okay, next is it true contains salesforce.com equal to force.com? So you can check the substring also. Okay, is my salesforce.com is containing force.com? If yes, it will give you true. If false, it will give you false. Okay, so let me add some other character in between. Okay, and let's see what it is coming now. Is it, oh sorry, not here, here actually. FT. Okay, so basically I've changed the sequence. Let me save. Then it will show you false here. If you see, because force.com is there, but ftors.com is not there. It does not contain that. So that's why it is showing you false. Guys, any doubt till here? How we are using the functions operator? Functions in Salesforce, VF pages? You will be also able to do it. I'll give you this code also till now so that you will also able to do it. Guys, please say yes or no. You are
Yes,
able to.
yes. Nikhil sir, one doubt.
Mhm.
So this code will be pre-built or we need to build from scratch?
Sorry, this code is.
This code is already pre-built or we need to uh, coding start from scratch or what?
Okay, so this is not coding. See, this is just a tags. Tags means this is something like you are writing few tags to create your web page. Okay, you're kind of creating your Visual Force page. Okay,
Okay.
so this is code in a way, but this is kind of simple HTML. HTML. Okay. So yes, do you need not to do anything separate for this? You just need to you created one page yesterday, right? You created one page, right, yesterday?
No, Nikhil, that inline page is not coming.
Inline page is not coming. What does it mean, inline page?
That Apex dot Apex username, that page is not coming actually.
Okay, so you are the only one who is getting that, not getting that option, create that page.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, can you share your screen? Maybe in that way you are not able to do it. We have another way also. Okay, that inline is not working, then other will work. Okay, so let's do
Okay,
it in developer console for you. Okay,
okay.
so can you share your screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Can you please enable it for me?
Yeah, I'm doing. Stop sharing and how to make you participants. What is your good name?
Monish.
Monish. Monish, I made a host for you. Look, you can share now screen. Okay, open your developer console. Mm. And now go to File, New, Or VF page, yeah. Right. This one. Give any name here. First VF page or any test VF page. Anything you can give. Okay, so inside that, just put this code inside the. So whatever I have told you till now, okay, I'm just giving you that code only, not the entire one. Mm, how to ping here? Okay, I'm not able to paste anything, so I'll let me ping on WhatsApp. You have opened WhatsApp here, right?
No, no.
Okay, can you
So I
open?
think we need you need to stop this sharing. Then after that we can get steps.
You need to stop the sharing. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's
Mm-hmm. Yeah, open your web browser, stop sharing and open your web browser and open this web WhatsApp. I'm sharing the code there. So to
yeah.
everyone,
Can you just ping me in this meeting chat so that I can
meeting
come?
chat it is not going. Let me try pasting on Notepad also. Mhm. I don't know why nothing is going here. The paste nothing is going. I can write something here, but I cannot copy and paste.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. Let me send it as a attachment then. File save as on your desktop. Okay, so I have sent you one file, text file. So
Yeah.
you
Okay.
share your screen and take it.
So shall I copy all these? Nikhil, can you hear me?
Oh, sorry, I was speaking on mute. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah,
Yeah,
go
I
to
can
your
hear you.
developer console. Save this. Save this. It's not been saved yet. When the star, now it is getting saved. When the star button is there, now it is saved. Okay, so when you save it, what is the name of this? App,
Web page. Yeah.
webpage.v. Okay. Now you can open this also. Okay, go to your normal the another tab. Hmm. Now delete after everything after .com in this page. Write apex apex slash no. You need to give slash here, huh? Now web page. That's it. Enter.
Yeah,
Okay,
now I
so
can.
you can change here whatever you want. See here, if you see here, Monish in the user section. Okay, welcome Monish Nayak is coming here. Okay, it is not coming like what I have given. I was seeing in my system. It is coming is taking your current user details. Okay, the first
Correct.
one like instructor name and all it's coming my name because that is hard coded one, something you have hard coded. But this is something you are taking as a from the variables of your environment. Okay,
Mhm. Okay.
clear? Hmm.
So
All right.
if I don't want this means I need to change. I need
Yes,
to do things in this
exactly,
code, right?
exactly. You
If
can
I
change
remove
the,
this,
yeah, you can change it to the student name equal to your name and student detail you can mention there. And then it will be, you need to just save it and refresh that page there. It will reflect there. Okay, so see if you are not able to do that to everyone who is not able to do that, open the inline editor. Maybe some settings is there which I need to see in detail. But for that you can do without also in this way. The only thing is you need to save it here and refresh that page. Two button you need to click. But what I am doing inline editing, I can just click on save. It will be automatically reflected there. Okay. Okay.
yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Okay. So let me reclaim the host and share my screen. Somebody is putting their hands on.
Yeah, yeah, Nikhil sir, this yeah, what is the purpose of force page and like how what's the role of this in the in a company or an organization actually? Like what is it used for?
So Nathad, have you attended yesterday class?
Yep,
Okay. Okay. So let
like
me. Hmm.
yeah, the
Okay.
thing is like what is it mainly used for actually?
Hmm. So I think I yesterday also I explained the same where to use Visual Force. Okay. See, whenever you wanted to create a see what is this what he has created or what Monish has created or what I have created. I have created a kind of a interface, right? Visual Force a interface where I can show something to the my client, right? So that I have done, I can do on the mobile also. Okay. See, if some, let's say if someone tomorrow, if someone is want, can you create a Visual Force page for me? I want to see this details from the system, from the Salesforce on that particular page. He can also say like I want the details from 2 3 objects in the same page. Okay. Or he can say I don't want to see in the regular account we are having so many details. I don't want to see the details. If you are going to create any account, okay, so let me open my environment. Okay, so let's say I wanted to open any order or any account in Salesforce. Okay, inside this, if you see, there are so many attributes are there. Can you see? There are so many attributes are there. Let's say tomorrow client says, I don't want to see all this. I don't know this billing type and all. The serial number, SLA is not required for me. I don't want to see this. I don't want to confuse my users. for this. Can you create a separate page for me that is having only account owner name, account name, and account number, and its phone number? That's it. Or maybe account type. Only 5 things I wanted to see. So for that, what you can do is, you can create a separate page for it. You can change this in whenever he clicks on this, you can redirect. You are not coming to this page, you are going to your page. Okay, so that I told you yesterday as well. See, you can embed it in page layout. You can page override. Page override means on button click, your page will open now, not the same page, this which Salesforce is providing. You can customize your tabs also. Okay, you can create entirely a new tab also. This is all thing you can do. You can generate the PDF also from here. You can give a functionality so that after any billing and all, you can just put a button to create to generate a PDF. Okay, you can send a email also from here. So this all thing you can do whatever based on your client expectation. If they don't want to see those many fields, they just wanted to want a quick visit. They wanted to take the data from the multiple objects. Okay, so you can create such kind of view with the help of this Visualforce. Now it is clear.
Yes, yes. It's kind of similar to what we learned in admin also. Through data loader, we can export only the
Which
specific
order? Which order?
in data loader, or
Hmm.
through this thing we can export only few things which we want, which our clients want. Like this is kind of an advanced version of that, right?
No, it is completely different. In data loader, you are loading the data into database, right? We were talking about the data. See, whatever we are seeing here, you see this data. This is the actual data of account object. You are loading this particular data into database. Database means Salesforce database, so that it is visible here, right?
Okay,
You are
okay.
doing that thing in data loader, but here you are creating this page, this account home, this
Okay,
page you are creating here.
understood.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So VFP is completely your UI level. Database is going to your data layer. Okay, it is inserting the data. It is visible here, obviously, because when you insert the data into database, if it is correctly inserted, then it will be displayed here in form of this. But I'm talking about this form, entirely this form that you can create using
Okay,
your VF page.
understood. Thank you.
Actually,
Okay,
Nikhil, I have also one doubt.
mhm,
Like we can change this, like these details in the page layout also, right? In the object manager.
right.
So then why we are you go for Visualforce for this page layout?
Okay, so I think yesterday you were present in the
Yes,
class.
yes, yes,
You were there. Okay, so I just explained you declarative and programmatic way.
yes,
I clearly told you few things you have done through page layout and record layout in the admin, right?
yes,
But if something which is beyond the limit of the page layout, you are going to create entirely new page for it. Okay, so that has come through Visualforce page or
okay,
Visualforce component.
okay,
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 things you have already done through admin, but the things which see configuration always have a limitation, right?
yes,
The configuration whatever we do, that always have a limitation. It cannot always do what we can do through coding. So whatever you have done page layout, that itself you can do it through Visualforce page, but more than that.
okay,
Okay, clear?
yes. And other thing is that in the earlier we have created one VF page now.
Hmm.
Where we will get that page in UI, like without clicking that preview or
Without creating that preview. Okay.
without clicking that preview, where we will get that page.
Okay,
Like
so
where we will see the page.
okay, so whenever you go to your setup,
Okay.
okay, when you come here and go inside the build, inside the develop, okay, you will see here your VF page also, Visual
Yes.
Force pages. Okay, so whatever pages so far I have created, everything will be visible here.
Okay.
Okay, this is what you want to know, right? Where you can see all your pages.
No, not like that. Means that we have created one data in the page now.
Created a data.
Means that some text is there now, like uh, about the
This
details
this
or
this
something.
this
Yes.
one. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Where we will see this that
So
content.
when you click here on VF page, okay, so everything will come here, whatever code you have written.
Yes.
This you are talking about this, right?
Yes, I'm okay with this, but like it will. I think that I'm thinking like it will reflect somewhere like in the account object or.
He just wanted to say, end user details, end user page.
And user details.
Like user details, we have right name, everything. So we have created like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like that, we have this coding, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like this only.
Mm-hmm.
How where it will come? Like in separate page.
I don't know. I mean, how it will reflect in production or
How it will reflect in production.
production.
So this is kind of production environment only. No, I did not understand the question.
Actually, Nikhil, we have
Mm.
created this page for something. Like
Right.
so where we will see this page, like without going to this visual face markup, or like we have given the controller to the account object,
Mm-hmm.
so it will present in that account object, or like we have to go through this visual force only.
No, I told you, right? This in this URL, whenever you are going to put the apex,
Yeah, we
right?
have. Yes.
Apex and slash this my visual force page, and you will enter. This page will come here.
Okay, I understood this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for example, see, I am working in some project,
Mm-hmm.
like so like that one is banking project. If
Hmm.
in some page I click on that some generate documents or like that button, then
Hmm.
that one VF page is open, like
Hmm.
containing some type of content.
Hmm.
Like that, we will see this matter at anywhere in the UI.
Sorry, I did not get the question.
Like
Where? Mm-hmm.
if I'm working in project,
Mm-hmm.
like I'm the client,
Mm-hmm.
then I want that one VF page in the some component.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then after clicking some button or some event, after triggering one
Okay.
event,
Okay.
the
So
page
yeah,
will.
that we have not done yet, right? We have not written any component. We have not written anything. So
Yes,
how
yes.
you will do it? So that will come in like in future sessions. Okay, that will come. I right now just try to understand what I am telling you.
Okay.
Okay, that will come in subsequent sessions. It will come. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So here, if you see, so how we are doing the editing in the page, we were just first creating those web pages, right? Then I need to write the controller also. Then everything you need to write. Okay. So see, the thing is like to answer your question, right now we are doing the development, right? When we take everything to the production, we will create a see these things always comes inside. Right now what I'm doing, I'm writing a page inside my account object. Okay, or you can say like inside, see which controller I'm using currently, account, right? So that way it is coming there. Whenever I will see, we need to see, it is not web component that will come exactly separately on the web. We are creating just VF pages, so that everything will open inside the Salesforce only. You got my point? There is
Yes.
no such URL or hyperlink for it. Okay, that is completely separate thing which you are thinking. That is LWC component, like Lightning Web component. Okay.
Here we have given that standard controller for the account object, right?
Hmm.
So why we have given that controller for the
Yeah.
account object? It will not reflect on that account object.
See, I am using it for something in account. If you see, I am using this account summary on this page. That's why it is coming like that. So just wait for some time. You will understand.
Okay. If it is
Okay.
custom controller, if it is custom object, then we have to use custom controller.
Not, it is also not like that.
Okay. Then
Okay.
when will we use that custom controller?
Can you wait for some time?
Okay, Nikhil.
Let me come to controller.
Okay.
Okay. Then when I'll come to controller, there is a separate class for controller. Then you
Okay.
will understand all this thing. If you
Okay.
jump here and there, you will not be able to even understand what we are studying right now. Okay, so just have some patience. We will clear all the doubt. If the end of the session or end of the training, you will not be able to understand, okay, what is the purpose of a custom controller or standard controller. If I start telling you now that the entire session will go into that only.
Okay.
Whatever I wanted to cover today, that I will not be able to cover. Okay, so that will also come. That controller part also will come.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you, Nikhil.
no problem. Okay, so let's say if somebody generally on some UI level, somebody wants me to import any image. Okay, they want, okay, can you put some image here? And they have uploaded that on the maybe they have uploaded into the Google image. Okay, so what I can do, so this, if you see this image, this is something I have taken from the Google only. Okay, so if I open Google and if I put this URL or JPG URL, I'll see all these images. Okay, I can change also my image. Let's say if I want to take this image and I like this image, which one is this? Okay, let's say this is the image. I can go right click here and I copy the image. If you see here, there are two things are coming: copy link address and copy image address. So whenever you wanted to load something from the Google's any image, you need to always copy your image address from there. Okay, and then you can put that image address on your page like this. I have changed this to, and if I refresh to save this page, now if you see, there's some different image will be shown here. So this is how you can import any Google image on your VF page. Okay, you can also adjust the height and width according to the your need. Let's say if it, I think like this is small, so I can change the image to the 50% height and let's say 40% width. And if I save it, I can see a little bigger image will be shown here. Okay, so how you do it? You need to, so till now we were studying about the normal tags. Now we are, this is my apex tag. So apex colon image. Okay, how I give it, how I take it, apex colon image, and then I put a URL here. Okay, and in the URL I am providing this detail. And after that, if I wanted to set the height or width, I can give in form of percentage. Clear to everyone how I am importing an image from the Google on my VF page? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So next is a page block. Okay. So this is also, I told you when I was yesterday, when I was explaining on this page, see, we create some page block. we create some page block so that we can show it in form of a block, right? Inside that, we can take any data table or enhanced list. We can take anything. So right now, what I have taken here inside it, inside this block, what I have taken, a block section I have created. Okay, so this is my block section. So how it looks like this. Okay, whenever you create a page block, inside that page block section you have created, okay, page block section, then you can put so I have just put the title for it. This is my training block, okay, page block, or I can say this is my training page block. And after that, this is my and the title of the I'm creating a section of it. Okay, I can close this section or I can open also. So block section I have created. Inside that, I am 3 component deep. Okay, so basically 1, 2, and 3. So in that it is saying I am 3 component deep, or you can say any other information also you can give. Okay. Okay, this is my page block study. Okay, so likewise it will change it. So this is showing you how to create a separate page block. So you can create any table also, you can put your account summary also, whatever you want to take, you can take. So in the next block, let's say in this block, we have taken the account summary section. Okay, here I am taking the account name and account type and let's say account owner email. But if you see, nothing is coming here. So how it will come here? Okay, so the question is how it will come here. Like, see, I have created a new block, page block, that is all clear, right? Then I have created a page block section on it, and then I'm putting some name, type, and owner detail, but nothing is coming in this. But how it will come? So the things you need to do something here. Let's say you're writing question mark ID equals to, I need to take any account ID here. So let me go to my account object and I open any particular random account and I take the ID from here and I put here, and if I enter now and if I see the details of that particular section, if you see here the details of the name, the customer type, channel type customer it is, and the email ID of the owner, it's coming here. So if I open the details of the particular, so this is owner and okay, let me edit it. This is the account name. What are the type was there? Yeah, the customer channel type was there, type, and somewhere it is should be some email ID also should be here, whatever showing owner email ID. Okay, so owner is Nikhil Gupta, so Nikhil Gupta email ID is taking from the username. Okay, so that's why it is coming here. Clear to everyone how we can fetch the detail of any particular account in any of the VF page. So this is how I need to add a question mark, comma ID equals to that particular ID. If I wanted to take the details of any separate, any different account, okay, so I can take that particular ID, just need to copy it and paste it. Okay, if I do it and I just put it enter, it will coming, the value should start coming for the age communication. Okay, so this is something on real time or runtime, it is fetching the details. Also similarly, this was the general details. Okay, this was the general detail which is related to one particular account. But if I wanted to show that in the form of my table, okay, I wanted to show in form of my table. Okay, so then how I can do it? Let's say I'm fetching from this account, I'm fetching all the contacts. Okay, so let's say what I wanted to show here is, wait a second. from this account, if I open this account and I am going to contact list, okay, so I can see I have two contacts here. One is CFO and one is SVP for that particular account. Okay, so that I wanted to show it here in this data table. Okay, then how I can do it? I can create again a page block. The block section will create for me. Context, I can also give the title for it, context related to that particular account. And then I can create one date block table for it. Okay, in the block table, I have created 3 columns. Okay, apex colon column value equal to contact dot name. So contact dot name is coming here. Value contact dot title. So title is coming here. Value contact dot phone number. So phone number is coming here. I can add more based on my need. Like it's not only like 3 only. It can take the email ID also. It can take whatever I'm seeing here. The everything I can show it here also. Clear to everyone? How we are creating a data table or a block table here?
I mean, hi Nikhil. Here, can we change that column name?
Column name, yeah. Column
Because we
name
have
means
not given any column name, but it is automatically taking that name.
you can give a separate title if you want.
Okay.
Yeah. See, everything you can do, just you need to know what is the correct tag for it, or correct how to present it. Okay, let's say I wanted to take one more column here for the email. Okay, I can just put apex column contact dot email here. Okay, if I save this, then email will also start coming here. To this column right now, the column name will come as my email only. So whatever field is there, that will start coming here. Now, if you want to change the title also, that you can also do. You just need to write like this. Okay.
It all depends on remembering the correct tags.
Correct tags. Yeah. See, when you will start doing it, you will when you have some code backup also with you sometimes, right? You can take it from there. You can Google it. It's nothing like, see, if you remember, if you can remember so many things, if your memory is that much sharp, then you are good to do it. Otherwise, everything is available on Google. You just need to know what is the concept. Okay, you should know first I need to put a block, then I need to block a block table, then I need to put all the columns, and then I need to close it also. So this is the concept of a VF page. If I'm opening anything, I need to close it also. If I am putting something, I need to so proper syntax and all you can like later on, if you forget now, see, everything you will not remember in this class itself, right?
Mm.
So gradually you will remember also, and gradually you can, by the time you can take the help from Google also. Okay,
Yes.
you are already professional. You you know how to use the things already, right?
I'm a freshie, Nikhil.
Hmm?
I'm a freshie actually, and
Okay.
not into this thing. I have done my BCom recently. Actually, I
Okay.
jumped
Okay.
into this, so it's no. I kind of find it new, but it's
Mhm.
interesting also.
Mhm. Yeah, it is very it is very interesting actually. Okay, so this is how. So I'm just giving you the code. Okay, code for today's class. Let me do it in this way. Control A, Control C, and the file I have given you, I'm just refreshing that file, save, and in the last of the page, I'm also mentioning how to call it. Okay, how to take the account details in VF page. Okay, so account details means in the URL, in URL of the page, you need to just add question mark ID equals to any ID. So I'm just copy this particular ID there. Definitely this ID will be different in your account. So for example, I'm mentioning, for example, this is the entire. So there, this is, you need to just take after this .com, you need to write apex and then your VF page name, then question mark ID equal to this. Okay. So this is separate after the page creation. So don't copy entire thing. Just take the something in between it. Okay. Okay. So let me again give you this file. Chat load from your computer desktop v. Okay, so take the latest one now, which is of 2.72 KB. Take the latest one. Okay, store it somewhere at a safe place. Okay, try to do something like that. Make a folder in your system for this particular training, Salesforce admin training, and day 1 or day 2, day 3, something you prepare in that way. Okay, if you want to take the screenshot also of the slides which I am showing you, okay, although you have a recording with you, you can take anytime, you can open the recording, you can take the screenshot from there also to remember it further. Okay, so that it will be handy for you, and whenever you have some time, you can open that folder in your file, in your phone also. You can create a folder, you can put some screenshot or the recording, download the recording there. Sorry. Okay, in that way you can prepare yourself. So for the interview, starting doing from the first day. So what we will do now is, I will teach you, I will show you the presentation also. Okay, whatever I have prepared for all the classes, and then I will give you code also that you need to store somewhere safe with you, so that you can anytime during your interview, before your interview, you can just brush up by this code, because sometime interviewer will ask you to write code in front of him. So if you will not hands-on on the code, like writing a Apex class for this, we will to write anything. So make a practice of writing. So make a practice of writing. Start doing the practice from now. In all the batches, I say like this: what if I am giving you something today? Just try to create that entire thing, okay, by writing by yourself within the same day. So if I've given you some exercise today, you try to complete that exercise today. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, Nikhil.
Okay. Okay, so let's freshly start tomorrow 8:15, the next topic. Okay, so let's close this today and we'll start a fresh topic tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, no problem. Let me stop sharing and close this recording as well.